Introducing Writing Time. What holidays do you like? Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share your ideas. We can share our ideas with pictures, and we can share our ideas with words. What holidays do you like? I like birthdays when presents are wrapped with a bow. I like birthdays when candles all brightly glow. I like birthdays when my family sings just for me. I like birthdays when I blow out candles with glee. I like Halloween when costumes are fun to wear. I like Halloween pumpkins that smile everywhere. I like Halloween when we say trick or treat. I like Halloween when candy bags are complete. I like Thanksgiving when family gathers to eat. I like Thanksgiving when the turkey smells so sweet. I like Thanksgiving when we eat pie with whipped cream. I like many holidays because they make me smile and beam. What other holidays do you like? Do you like Christmas when tree lights shine bright? Do you like Christmas when stockings hang just right? Do you like New Year's when the ball drops at midnight? Do you like New Year's when fireworks are in sight? Do you like Valentine's Day when cards are fun to share? Do you like Valentine's Day when hearts are everywhere? Do you like Easter when bunnies hop around? Do you like Easter when colorful eggs can be found? Do you like July 4th when there is grilled meat and corn? Do you like July 4th when we celebrate that America was born? Do you like July 4th when fireworks explode? Or is there another holiday that's beautiful and bold? Now it's your turn to draw. It's your turn to write. It's your turn to share what holidays bring you delight. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.